So, I've been at an organisation for about a year now, helping them shift to a more product-based way of working. And if I'm honest, I'm feeling a bit flat. The initial buzz has worn off, the early wins have happened, but now it feels like we're stuck in that messy middle, where the energy dips before the real change starts to stick. Now, if you've ever been in that position, leading change, coaching teams, or trying to evolve how an organisation works, you'll probably recognise that same feeling. So, I wanted to share a few things I've been reflecting on how to energise the work. Firstly, we need to energise ourselves, then the work, and then the system when progress feels slow. Starting with energising you. When you're the one pushing for change, your energy sets the tone. So the first thing I've been doing is checking in with myself. Why did I start this in the first place? What problem excited me? Am I spending my time there, or have I drifted into admin, governance, or just trying to keep the plate spinning? Sometimes it helps to step out and get inspired again. Talk to people in other organisations. Go to a meetup. Invite someone new in to share their story. And find allies, because change work can feel lonely, and having a small group to share the highs and lows with makes a massive difference. And honestly, celebrate the invisible wins. You might not see transformation yet, but if people are asking better questions, experimenting more, and showing curiosity about customers, that's progress. Moving on to re-energising the work. If things feel a bit flat, it might be because the work's become too abstract. Try running a simple reset workshop. Something like, we've been doing this for a year, what's working, what's not, and what's next? It's amazing what a fresh conversation can do. Or find one small, visible product to really focus on. Something that can demonstrate what good looks like. Faster feedback, clearer outcomes, happier customers. When people see success, it reignites belief. You can also make progress visible. Use simple flow metrics, customer feedback, or even stories from the teams. Remind people what this shift is actually for. And finally, re-energising the system. Sometimes it's not you or the work, it's the wider system that needs a bit of a kick up the arse. Maybe the story's gotten stale. Moving to a product model sounds like an org chart change. But if you reframe it as building things our customers love or creating faster feedback loops, people may lean in again. You could run a product showcase, invite teams to demo what they've shipped and what they've learned, or get leadership into the room with teams, not to review slides, but to talk about outcomes and customers. Even just changing the questions can help. Instead of, are we set up as a product team yet? Ask, are we learning faster than before? That shift can change the whole conversation. So, if you've hit the 1 year dip, know that it's completely normal. Change takes time. The first year is about awareness and alignment. The second is about belief and building more momentum. Sometimes you don't need a big reset, just a little spark. So if this resonated with you, drop a comment, tell me your story about how you've managed your energy during a transformation. And if you found this video useful, there'll be another one around there that you'll probably find interesting also. See you in the next one.